Hello students, today we discuss the topic sets of class 11th. Now students, the first definition is what is a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Here students, objects means elements or member of the sets. Suppose A equal to sets of the natural numbers. If it takes -3, then -3 does not belongs to given sets because -3 is not well defined here. Now, representation of sets of a sets. We can represent the sets into the two forms. First are rosters or tabular forms. Second है set builder forms. If A equal to set of natural numbers less than 6, then this form is called the roster or the tabular forms. We can write X such that X is a natural numbers less than 6. Then this form is set builder forms. Now next definition is finite sets. A sets whose elements are countables. Suppose B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the set B contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Elements are finite. So set B is finite sets. Infinites. A sets whose elements are uncountables is called the infinite sets. Suppose set C equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dash and so on. Then this set is called the infinite sets. Now exercise 1.1. First question is, which of the following are sets? Justify your answers. First part is the collection of all months of a year beginning with letter J. So first question of exercise 1.1 is the collection of all months of a year beginning with letter J. So students, we can write January, June, July. Starting with J, January, June and July, which is well defined, hence it form a sets. So next part is the collection of ten most talented writers of India. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Hey students, the opinion about the 10 most talented writer of India vary from person to person. This does not form a set. Next है the collections of all boys in your class. At the time of admission, it may be infinite. When the admission is closed, then it will be finite. Then it is a set. So students, in this way, we can tell it is a set or not a set. Now next question is question number 2 of exercise 1.1. Inserts symbols belongs or does not belongs on blank spaces. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the first part is 4. Students, 4 belongs to the given sets. So we can write 4 belongs to the sets A. Second part 10. So 10 is not in the set A, so 10 does not belongs to given sets. Third part 0. 0 is not in the given sets, so 0 does not belongs to given sets. Next part is 5. So 5 is in given sets, so 5 belongs to the sets A. In this way, we can tell the given number is belongs to given sets or not. Now next question is question number 3. Write the following sets in roster forms. First question is set A equal to x such that x is an integer and -3 less x less 7. So students, the first is x is an integer, -3 less x less than 7. Value of x greater than -3 and less than 7. So we can write in roster form as -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the second part says b equal to x such that x is a natural numbers less than 6. So we can write set B in roster form as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So students, this is the roster forms and this is the set builder forms. Next question is the set C equal to x such that x is a prime number and divisor of 16. So now students, first what is a prime number? A number which are divisible by 1 and itself is prime numbers and also divisor of 60. So C equal to students 2 is prime numbers, so we can write 2 and 60 is divisible by 2. Next is 3 is prime numbers, so we can write 3 and the 60 divided by 3. Next, prime numbers 5. So we can write 5, and when we divide 60 by 5, satisfy the given condition. So in this way, we can write the following sets in the roster forms. That's all the students.